What's up, guys? Got a key fob for a Dodge Charger. I believe it's a 2011 and up. I'm not real sure what they look like past 2016. Ours is for a 15. So I want to replace the battery, and I want to show you how quick and easy this can be done without any tools as well. So first thing we need to do is release the actual key out of the fob. If you're not familiar with how to do that, there's a slide switch here on the back. Push that over and pull up on your silver portion. If you didn't know that, there you go. You can get in your car if your fob ever dies, which is what I'm having an issue with. Set that to the side. If you look here on the end of the fob, if you can see that or not, there are two slots actually. We want this one right here. The other one, to kind of make it a little bit simpler, the other one has like an opening that goes all the way back into the key fob itself. So this one just stops right here. That's the one you want. Now you can take that key, so without even using a screwdriver, this, that, and everything, you stick your key in there, give it a little twist. That's going to separate the seal, and then you can just continue to work the key fob open, and that will reveal the battery. So the battery is a 2032, just a little flat disc battery. You can pick them up at Walmart, wherever you like to get your batteries. There again, I'm going to use the key just to kind of pry the new battery, or I'm sorry, the old battery out. And just be careful to remember which way it came out so that you can put it back in the correct way. And it just snaps back together. Put your key back in the slot and you're good to go, guys. So thanks for watching.